Hey guys, it's Alden over here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's game, I am playing with my friend. This is our second round. Our first round, we got flat. So anyway, here we are with our team in the base. My friend is playing Gord and myself here. I am playing with my favorite hero, which is Chang'e. I am going in the middle lane together with my teammate Hayabusa. I like Hayabusa on my team because he's really annoying to be as an enemy. So this is our base, and across the bridge is our enemy's turret. And before, the first thing that you have to do is you have to slay their little minions before they slay ours. And this one right here, these little minions, that's the minions for your experience, at the same time your health and mana. And this monster over here is for our experience as well. And for the mana, if you don't know, the mana I'm talking about is this circle in the bottom. That's the one that we use to slay our enemy with. And like I said, you have to kill these little minions and you will get the experience, because in this game having a good teammate is always the key. And as you can see, those little shoes over there, you have to buy stuff on this game before you do anything. Every time you see something on top, you have to buy the upper one. And these minions over here, you always find minions to slay. This purpose over this one is for your experience. At the same time, you will get the coins to buy the magic potion. As you can see right now, I have $58 right over there, and then I will show you guys later if there's something that pops out in there and you have to buy it. I've been playing this game for 5 months now, I believe. My friend and I love this game so much. As far as I've been playing with all the games, this is the best by far. Mobile Legends is the best game I've ever played. So my friend and I is so stuck on this game for so long, and we have so much fun if we're free and we just like message each other and say, hey, it's time to play, how can we play games? And here we are, my first blood. I love first blood, and I hate to be the first blood in this game, but dying in this game is your best friend. Like the first round that we went flat. So these minions over here, we have to kill it for experience, and of course the coins. As you can see, that book, I have to buy that one. So that's your magic and your power, because if you don't buy anything, it's gonna be a chaos. And like I said, having a good teammate in this one is always a plus. And like I said, you will have a higher chance to win. And ouchie, this Atlas right here, he is really annoying. And I'm glad I didn't die. So we better retreat. My friend and I, we always have so much fun. We play this game like I don't know, overnight sometimes. We are so bad when it comes to game. And yeah, it's so funny. He was so close. So funny. We were like having so much fun on this game. Sometimes we get like, there's some people that get so angry. Like I said, on this game you just have 50-50 chance. If you have a good teammate, you have 80% chance to win. If you have a bad teammate, you have like 80% losing as well. So like I said, always it's good to play with a good teammate for this game. Otherwise, it's a chaos. So as you can see over here, this turtle, I said you have to slay this turtle before your enemy, because this turtle will give you an extra experience and for the whole entire team. And also, if you will keep slaying this turtle before your enemy, you really have the higher chance to win the game. So if you don't slay this turtle, if your enemy is the one that's been slaying them, and you lose. So we will try try our best, but sometimes we just can't get away from losing this game as well. And we got him. It's really fun. My friend, like I said, my friend and I, we are always have a good time playing this game. We're so glad. So anyway, just if you like this game, just keep on watching. I hope you will learn some of it. This game, it take a lot of practice to really get to know the game and the moves. When you know how to use all your techniques and the moves and how to play this game, you will love this game, and then it's unstoppable. You can't help yourself but play this game. My friend and I, like I said, we've been playing this game for so long, and we play overnight sometimes, especially if we have such a good team. And sometimes if we lose and we try to get our stars back, because if you're playing rank, if you lose your stars. So instead of ranking up, you're going down, so you will lose your star. Your level will go down as well, so you have to win and get the stars, otherwise we lose. And here we are slaying our enemies buff. So we have to steal the buff, because if they don't have no buff, like, they're gonna have a hard time catching us up in our experience. So right now we're level 8 and 9, and then they're only at 7. So like I said, to be a higher level, you have a really high chance to win the game. I'm gonna be good. Thank you, team. So thank you guys so much. Like I said, I really hope that you will learn along the way by watching this video. And like I said, if you just know how to play, and if you're really into this game, you will learn. And if you like, you can download the games, and then you can look for me and we can play together. And it's fun. It's fun to play it's fun to play with friends, because like my friend and I said that we are playing this game. We always play together when we have chance, because at least I have one person that I can rely on, that will have my back and work hard to get our stars as well. We want our star back, because the first round we went flat. So anyway, like I said, on this game, your best friend is the death. It's hard sometimes. It's really hard, especially if your enemy is really good too. And Changyu, she is really good, unless if the whole entire team is all over her, and she could be the food of the enemy. She can kill so easy at the same time. Like the mage can kill easy, and they will die so easy as well. It's a win-win. So anyway, that's why it's good to have a good teammate that will have your back as well. The important thing on this game, you have to look on the map, so you know where your enemy is and where your teams are. Oh my, I'm gonna die, and I'm dead.
Initiate retreat! Your team destroyed a turret!
Quick! Run! Roger's coming!
Request backup!
the greatest?
Monster kill! You have slain an enemy! Killing spree!
Looks like we need to
Your
walk.
team destroyed a turret!